Previously on Blinker Fluid.
Here's the housing for the bulb, and you can get it out like so. So as you can see, we put it in the same way the other one came out. Very simple to do.
And now for part 2.
Hey guys, so now we're gonna do the number plate lights. So it's also using T10 bulbs. So the first thing to do is, can you see this little notch over here? This little notch. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver and pry this open. You're gonna push it this way, push it towards the right, and then you're gonna pull this whole thing down. Okay? So let me just try to do that. I'm gonna put in my screwdriver over here, and I'm just gonna be careful not to hit your paint. Obviously, you're just gonna pull it, push it, and then pull it down like that, and the whole thing comes out. Okay, once this is out, you can twist this anti-clockwise. Alright, try to remember how you took it out because it's a bit difficult to put it back in. So I'm just gonna wiggle this. I'm gonna take this out first, okay, the connector. I'm taking this, okay, I'm gonna put it down. So I'm taking it out this way. Alright, that way. Here's the bulb. So taking out the bulb. It's a T10 bulb over here. Right, so I'm gonna put in another bulb. It's also a T10 bulb. So I'm gonna put this in. It fits nicely. Okay, I'm gonna put this back inside. Yeah, fits in. I'm gonna turn this a bit. All right, good enough. I'm gonna put this back to the connector. But before that, yeah, inside it's a bit dirty. There's a lot of like dust and grime, so I'm gonna use some contact cleaner. So you can buy this at your local DIY or something. It's a very normal electrical contact cleaner. So just spray a little bit. I'm gonna spray the surface of the connector as well. So it's important to let it dry first. You don't want to short the circuit. So just let it dry for a while, and we'll be back in about 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
And we're back. So let's put this in. And it turns on right here. There is light emitting from the housing. So now I'm just gonna put this back. Put it back. You put it back the same way you took it out. You put the right side in first, like that, and then you push on the little tab earlier. Push it back in. So as you can see, it lights up, and I've already done the other side. So basically this is how you change the lights on a AE101 Toyota Corolla. Okay guys, so here is the number plate light at night. It's pretty bright actually. And now for the boot. Yeah, it's really bright. And now just for a little extra, here's my interior. I did put in an LED dome light as well. There won't be a video for that, but yeah, just to let you guys know. Yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed.